here at home, Pamela, we're dealing with heat and humidity. Luckily, not those conditions out there in California.
No, but we have the daily chance for thunderstorms again in the forecast for this afternoon. Got to keep an eye to the sky. It is hot, hazy, and humid. Triple H weather again, and we already see on the live look at our tower cam those puffy cumulus clouds. There is a little bit of some moisture in the atmosphere helping to contribute to some of this and some of the daytime heating, a little bit of instability, and we get those showers to pop. Nothing just yet on radar over Boston, but you'll want to keep an ear out too, especially if you're heading to the beach this afternoon. If you hear thunder, that means there is lightning from a developing thunderstorm, and most of the severe weather will stay away from us, but there is an isolated risk of a severe thunderstorm across western and central parts of Worcester County here in western Massachusetts. Damaging wind would be the primary issue if we do see one severe thunderstorm warning issued out of this later today. Most of us could see a brief downpour if we see the rain, but again, most communities will stay dry. So we know the drill here. A few of those puffy cumulus clouds definitely popping up in the heat of the day, but mostly dry and mostly clear across the coastline. Couple showers here trying to get going, but they're not really holding together as they push slowly to the east and northeast. If they hold together, moving towards Manchester, very brief downpour, but no thunder with that particular shower. A few storms back to our west, but again, mostly the pop-up storms in the day. In the afternoon, hour-by-hour forecast, 3 o'clock, we see maybe some storms developing along that sea breeze front, and more storms popping back outside 495. Those storm chances still in the forecast through this evening, and then we slowly start to see these erode away and dissipate, and perhaps a little bit of fog moving in onshore across southeastern Massachusetts from the outer coastline there. Another sizzler, though, through today. We still have a heat advisory through 6 o'clock. Heat index will make it feel like the mid to upper 90s. It already feels that way out there. Temperature in Boston, 85, dew point 73. That wind from the east, that does indicate that a sea breeze has kicked in some spots on the coast. And the real feel temp in Boston, 92, 95 ton, feeling more like 91 degrees in Falmouth. Today will be right around 90 with, again, the hot, humid conditions and chance for some scattered storms. Tonight, warm, muggy, patchy fog. Those storms will slowly go away. Overnight lows again in the 70s. Still a hot one for tomorrow, as we'll anticipate 80s and low 90s. But tomorrow we have another round of some storms. Of course, beach and boating for Thursday. Want to again keep an eye to the sky. 86 degrees and those scattered storms developing along a cold front, so perhaps a little more numerous is what we'll be dealing with today. Water temp heating up 70 to 76 degrees. And the dew point trend will improve a little bit after we get to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in the mid-60s. Still a little soupy, but not like the 70s like what we've had the last couple days. And here's why: we have a cold front approaching the area for Thursday. That's going to trigger some scattered showers and storms, and maybe an isolated strong storm too. But another secondary cold front moves our way for Friday. This is going to bring some refreshing air, at least no 70-degree dew points, but that's going to be brief and short-lived as we see more heat on the way, and maybe next week increasing the humidity once again. But those storm chances next couple of days still in the forecast. Chris?
All right.